This is question 4 of the chapter labeled Notation, chapter 2 of the Regression Models book. Please watch the first 3 questions in this chapter to see loading the data and defining the variables in the way that we're using for the solutions to this problem. This question says, normalize the parental and child heights, verify that the normalized variables have mean 0 and standard deviation 1, and take the correlation between them. So in this case, my x variable is the parental height and my y variable is the child height. Okay, so let's say x normalized is the normalized version. Okay, so that's x minus mean x divided by standard deviation x. And then y normalized is the normalized version of y. That's y minus mean y divided by standard deviation of y. Now notice that the mean of xn is 0. Well, close enough to machine precision. The mean of yn is 0. The standard deviation of xn is 1. And the standard deviation of yn is 1. Now the correlation between xn and yn is that, 0.458. Notice this is identical to the correlation between x and y, because centering and scaling variables has no impact on the value of the correlation. The correlation is a unit-free quantity. So take, for example, xn, the first measurement here, 1.22 or 1.23. That means that this child, or this parent, this pair of parents, was 1.22 standard deviations above the norm for this collection of parents. Okay, if we were to take yn1, that one is negative 2.5. So that means that this child was 2.5 standard deviations below the average for the children in this data set.